Anyway, we're going to try it out. They don't smell spicy. They smell like chemicals because the chemical color, I'm assuming. There's the little Taki classic rolled up chip. I'll try one more. Extreme. Supposed to be extreme heat. Clean my mouth out here and check the tongue. Yeah, blue. Sorry if that was gross. The heat is there, and it's starting to like come around here at the end. The flavor, I've had better Takis. I think they're just going for the heat and the color here. There's not really a great flavor on them.